Hey everyone, Mike Sherry here with Sherry 4x4. Today I am out doing a video on this awesome 2022 Jeep Gladiator. So it's the Jeep truck and it's been upfitted with the SCA Performance Black Widow package to make this a one-of-a-kind custom Jeep Gladiator. Got 37-inch tires on it, 3-inch suspension system, really makes this Gladiator stand out. Let's go ahead and we'll get started in the video. We'll show you what SCA has done. SCA is an approved upfitter by Jeep to upfit their Jeep products, and they do an amazing job. And none of what they do voids any warranty, and they put a full warranty on everything that they do. So pretty cool. We've got your Black Widow spider up there, front and center of the front windshield. This also has the optional Mopar Corning Gorilla Glass. That's an option we've seen in the last year and a half from Jeep. I like it. It's a lot stronger glass and it really fits well with that kind of a flat windshield that you find on the Gladiators. Got your simulated vented hood here, got satin black 7-slotted Jeep front grille. And then the front bumper here, you can tell, doesn't look factory. It's not. It's actually a powder coated steel stubby bumper. So stubby bumper means it's a little bit stubbier in this area. That allows that wheel to run over something instead of the bumper like the factory ones to bump into it. Got an integrated LED light bar behind the shield here. Tow hooks in the Snazzberry color. That's the same exterior color we see on the rest of the Jeep. Got fog lights down here, big skid plate up front here. Even got a Black Widow spider right there. Look at that. That's laser cutted out inside this metal skid plate here in the front bumper. Check this out. I like the attention to detail SCA does. We've got painted to match coil springs, linkages there, all in that Snazzberry. It's got 2 steering stabilizers. We've got one here, this is the right here, and then there's one over there. That allows this lifted Jeep to perform excellent. It's gonna hang on the road. You're not gonna hang on to the Jeep like you do in some lifted vehicles. So we've got BF Goodrich. These are the mud terrain KM3 tires. So these perform awesome off-road. If you want to deflate them a little bit, you got a lot of sidewall tread here, as you can see. 20-inch wheels here, and look at this tread pattern up top here. Now this comes equipped with Fox shocks here. Fox Shocks is the parent company. That's their Adventure Series shock. Fox Shocks is the parent company of SCA, so they're able to perform, design, and implement unique products for SCA. Now these have been added. These are your steps to help you get in and out, but on top of that, they act as rock sliders. They come underneath the rocker here, rocker panel, and they're stainless steel, so they're not gonna rust out on you. So they're gonna protect you off-road, have utility function to help you get in and out of this lifted Jeep, and offer a corrosion-free performance there. Pretty nice. Sound bar up top here. So SCA has upgraded the interior with a custom leather seating with integrated red stitching. I like it. I like the design. Their leather is top grade, wears really good, and just a nice durable leather. You can tell by feeling it. Got our Fox shock back here. Doesn't it look good with those black wheels? It's got the 3-piece black top. That's the hard top there. So this back section here is all one piece, and then you got a section over each, both the driver and the passenger here, that can be easily removed. Got our Black Widow emblem back here and power window in the back. This has got a backup camera here, painted to match tow hook back here. This is capable to tow. It actually has the max towing package on it, which gives you the 410 rear end gear ratio. So if you do need to tow, you got your wiring there, towing receiver, dampening tailgate, factory spray in bed liner, protect that bed. You know, you never know how much you need a truck until you don't have one. These are great trucks to have. See this, it's got a heart and 419. 419 is actually the area code just north of here in Ohio and Toledo where they build these. So you see, you're gonna find little what they call Easter eggs on these Jeeps. Pretty cool products. Pretty cool following too. If you never drove a Jeep, you'll learn that people like to do fun things. They'll wave at you if they're in a Jeep. They'll put little, I call them bathroom toys, little ducks on your Jeep and stuff. It's called being ducked. It's just some fun stuff. We've got financing available on this, so if you're interested in getting some ideas on what payments will be, maybe you're wondering what current interest rates and all that would be, we can help you out there. We work with over 20 banks. We can do the work for you on that account. And don't know if you noticed, there's red accent lighting down here. So yeah, if you're interested in financing, we can get you started right on our website. I'll post a link for that, so just look for that if you're interested in that. Notice here on the dash, got the Snazzberry all painted here. That's not from the factory. That's something SCA has done, and boy, does it make it look cool in here. Spot for your key, does have remote start and keyless entry, as well as your panic button. Got your touchscreen radio with all the modern functions, including backup camera. And I spoke about towing. If you need to tow, if you hit this little magnifying glass, it gives you a straight down view, so you're going to be able to hook up to your trailer without getting in and out of your vehicle 20 times like we always used to. AM, FM, Sirius XM radio, got heated seats here and a heated steering wheel, and then this is equipped with factory navigation. Automatic heat and air conditioning controls here. And then you have buttons for everything. So if you like buttons for your radio, buttons for your heat and air, you got it. Or you can do it up here if you're more technological savvy and you like the touchscreen. So it's kind of got best of both worlds there. Power windows, plugins here for your phone. And then you got 4 auxiliary inputs here. This is where if you want to add different lighting and things on the outside, you can. Aux 1 is going to be your 20-inch LED light bar that I showed you in that front bumper. 4-wheel drive transfer case, push button start in these. Again, steering wheel is leather wrapped. It's got all the functions here at your fingertips: cruise control, hands-free connectivity, volume control back here, and tuning control back here. It's got a whopping 28 miles on it. It's brand new Jeep, full warranty, both by Jeep and from SCA. Cool, cool, cool product. So if you're looking for one of these, this is one of their limited edition colors. Not going to be very many out there. Very, very few nationwide with this upfit by SCA. So if you're wanting a one-off Jeep that performs great, that you can drive it daily, that you can go out and have fun every now and then on the trails, this is a cool ride. So give us a call. We have a great selection of both lifted pickup trucks and lifted Jeep, both Wranglers and Gladiators. Be happy to help you out. Take a look at our website for our current inventory. And as always, thanks for hanging out. If you make your way into the store, I'd love to talk to you. Just give me a holler. As always, if you're across the nation, we do ship them nationwide, and we can deliver one of these to your house like a pizza pie. Hook you up with a transport company that can do that. So pretty cool. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.